All right. This morning's customer states that they hear an exhaust leak. So let's find out what we've got. The truck's running. You all might not be able to hear this, but I hear it. Casual thumping noise. Let's see what we see here. Now, this exhaust was just out. They had some transmission work done at some point. So I'm suspecting that they didn't replace the flange gaskets here and here at the end of the manifolds. So without burning myself, I'm just gonna kind of feel for some exhaust. Nope. I don't think so. Uh-oh. I feel it right here. It looks like the converter has a split at the weld. Yep. See it right there. I guess the moral of the story is, it's just because you repaired one thing 1,000 times doesn't mean that that's what it is on the 1,001 times. So I've never seen a converter split there before. That's definitely the spot. This thing has 252,000 on it. Let's check this side. No, nothing there. Oh yeah, I feel it right through here. And it's got a couple broken sway bar links. Super common.